Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process of changing the gamma settings in Minecraft TLauncher. Adjusting the gamma can enhance your gameplay experience, especially in dark areas like caves. So let's dive in. Gamma controls the brightness level in Minecraft. By default it's set up 1.0, but increasing this value can make the dark areas more visible, simulating a full bright effect. To change the gamma settings, first to open Minecraft, then you will see this icon, select it, and then after selecting this one, you will find various options. Scroll down and search for options, select it and right click on it, and you will see your gamma here. Then to you can also search from it here, search, and you will gamma options here. Then you can change the value from here. You can here you can see now change it here, and that's how you can change gamma in Minecraft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.